Okay, YouTube, quick review of my Felt Decree 3. It's a decent bike. I think it's a pretty good trail bike with kind of a mid-range audience there. So what it has is a carbon fiber frame, front triangle, rear triangle, and it's got 150 millimeters travel up front, 140 in the back. Up front you got a RockShox pike. For the shock in the rear, it's a RockShox Monarch Debonair, 32 tooth up front, 11 in the back, 11 by 42. For the rear rotors are 160 millimeter hydraulic brakes by Shimano, and up front 180 millimeter brakes up front. So it's pretty decent. Got a KS Lev dropper post with a Volt seat in the back. I think that's either a 100 or 125. This one's a medium frame. And 760 on the bars, 60 millimeter stem. I'm probably going to change that to a 45 or 50, but it's pretty tight already. I don't lean forward too much. My hardtail is a GT Aggressor Pro, basically stock. My wife's bike is a Ghost with 130 in the back, and I changed it from a 130 RST to a 120 RockShox 30. Alright guys, see you out on the trail.